The fundamental aim of criminal justice agencies is to increase public safety by reducing and managing risk. Risk is a common word with many different meanings in the criminal justice context. The Public Safety Risk Assessment Clearinghouse focuses primarily on the risk of reoffending or noncompliance with criminal justice system requirements in the community. Risk assessments increasingly guide decisions on pretrial release, diversion from the system, sentencing, program placement, release planning, and responding to supervision violations. The Clearinghouse provides information on risk assessment tools utilized at all of these justice decision points. Risk of reoffending and noncompliance can manifest in a number of adverse outcomes, such as failure to appear in court, rearrest, reconviction, and return to custody. The measurement of risk, however, changes depending on the stage in the justice system that risk is being considered and the reasons for doing so. The risk of failure to appear in court, for example, is of critical concern to judges when determining whether or not to release defendants to the community while awaiting trial. Other agencies focused on reducing the risk of violent or sexual offending should measure for those behaviors specifically, in addition to the risk of reoffending generally. Additionally, correctional and supervision agencies will want to measure how likely individuals are to re-engage in criminal activity within a year or two of release from custody. But the front end of the justice system deals with the public safety risk in much shorter terms, such as whether the defendant would sell drugs or retaliate against rival gang members during the short time between pretrial release and trial, not necessarily at any time during the course of the next couple of years. Aligning the method of risk measurement with the particular objectives of a justice system practice is one of the most important yet often overlooked considerations of effective risk assessment. The Clearinghouse offers key principles and recommendations on developing, implementing, and using risk and needs assessment instruments to support such alignment.